Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the unlocking PIN and the Google account used for parental controls. First, unlock the device and open Settings. Next, go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. You're starting the removal, not reinstalling. If Family Link is active, tap it now. You'll see the parent account listed. Make sure you can sign into that Google account. Once done, prepare to sign out or remove supervision from the parent account on this device. You'll now remove supervision from the child profile. In Family Link or Digital Wellbeing, select the child's profile listed on the device. Tap More or the Settings gear, then choose Stop Supervision or Remove Account. You'll be prompted to sign into the parent Google account to confirm. Enter the parent password when asked and approve the change. This revokes app limits and content filters from the device. Make sure to wait for syncing. Do not power off mid-process. Finish by restarting the phone so all policy changes apply. After reboot, check app access and Play Store restrictions to confirm they're cleared. If the parent account still appears in Accounts, go to Settings right arrow Accounts and remove the parent Google account after verifying data backup. If you hit permission errors or cannot sign in, try clearing the Family Link app cache, re-attempt removal, or sign in at Google. com/family from a browser. If problems persist, use Google support for account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.